How to convert USDC to USDT on Mexc application. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be discussing about how to convert USDC to USDT on Mexc. So first thing first head over to your account section and just make sure you have successfully logged into your account, and just tap on this wallet section from the bottom right corner. So once you tap on that, just head over to your sports section to view your deposits, and once you're inside here, make sure to look at your balance and just head back to your home screen and just click on this trade option from the bottom of your navigation bar, as you can see over here. And at the top you should see the drop down between USDC and USDT, so simply select that, and once you click on that, just search in for USDC/USDT. So you can just tap on this first one option over here, and you should be redirected to this page where you can easily click on this stop limit button and change it to market for the best price value, and simply click on or head over to the sell tab. So basically, if you click on sale, you will be selling your USDC, and if you click on buy, you will be buying your USDT. So that's how it works on this application. So just click on sale. So simply enter or change the amount of the USDC that you would like to sell to gain a USDT, and just click on sale, and by doing this you will gain USDT on your Mexc. So that's it for today guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.